I'll be harvesting my okra for the first time. I planted this okra 2 months ago, and I noticed yesterday that some of them were already getting very strong. So I just thought to take it out, put it in the fridge because it's just a couple, it's just a few. I won't be able to do anything with it. So I just put it in the fridge and wait for it to flower more, have more fruit. Because they say the more you harvest, the more it brings out fruit. So I'll just be storing it in the fridge until I have enough to make okra soup. I'm so happy, guys. Come, 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 come. I think that's all on this plan.